Hey guys, it's Pat from PowerX International. I want to talk a little bit about a few of our C-Series high pressure cylinders. In front of us we have a single acting hydraulic cylinder, which is just a straight C-Series. We have a CD double acting hydraulic cylinder, and right in front we have a CH series, which is a center hole. These are mechanical powerhouses. The single acting cylinder is rated at 10 ton, which is 20,000 pounds. The CD cylinder is rated at 30 ton, which is 60,000 pounds of lifting capacity. And this little guy, which is so robust, is rated at 60,000 pounds, which is a whopping 120,000 pounds of lifting capacity. All have very similar applications that our customers really like: rigging equipment, heavy duty lifting, pressing, and load holding. Now, one of the coolest features about all these cylinders is they are roll burnished on the inside of the cylinder, so the material is nice and smooth. And what that does is it leads to longer seal life, which allows you to have a longer life on your cylinder. We do offer a lifetime warranty for these cylinders, which is part of the manufacturer's defect. So if anything goes wrong that's related to a manufacturer's defect with any of these cylinders, we'll replace it. If you'd like to learn more about our C-Series products, one of these in particular, or another C-Series cylinder, give us a call at 414-988-6202, or look us up on the internet at powerxinternational.com.